If your construction business uses foundation software, listen up. You could be leaving the door wide open for cybercriminals. Cyber attacks on construction firms are on the rise, and foundation accounting software is the latest target. Hackers are exploiting default credentials left unchanged by companies, putting sensitive financial data at risk. But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions has got your back. We specialize in safeguarding your critical systems and data. First, we ensure all default usernames and passwords are updated immediately. Then we secure vulnerable ports like TCP 4243 to block unauthorized access. Our real-time monitoring and robust endpoint protection keep potential threats at bay. Why choose us? Because we understand the unique cybersecurity challenges in construction. Our experts provide industry-specific solutions to keep your business running smoothly. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Contact Impress IT Solutions and build a secure future today. Impress IT Solutions, your partner in cybersecurity.